Right now, you have everything you need to achieve success in business. But the big question often on my clients' minds is how to make sure that their marketing doesn't just cost the money, but makes the money as well. We have the answer for you. The Social Media Lead Gen Conference 2019 in Edmonton will help you to understand what it is to actually do in marketing, how to do it, and more importantly, how to make more money with your marketing. The big challenge for you is learning how to do this without it taking an enormous amount of time or money. Social Lead Gen Conference is one day where we will show you step by step how marketing and digital marketing works and how to earn more revenue with your marketing. If your marketing is making you money instead of costing you money, then you're achieving this. But if your business is costing you more money for your marketing than it is making you money, you need to join us October 19th in Edmonton. If you want to give your business or make your marketing give you an exceptional return, click the link below. Join us at the Social Media Lead Gen Conference October 19th and make a massive impact on your business.